These 15 detox smoothies will melt away those extra pounds faster than you can say yum. Are you looking to kickstart your weight loss journey? Look no further. Here are 15 delicious detox smoothie recipes that will help you shed those extra pounds. Number 1, green detox smoothie, packed with spinach, cucumber, and green apple for a refreshing start to your day. Number 2, berry blast smoothie, loaded with antioxidants from berries to boost your metabolism. Number 3, tropical paradise smoothie, pineapple, mango, and coconut water for a taste of the tropics while slimming down. Number 4, citrus cleanser smoothie, oranges, lemons, and ginger for a zesty detoxifying drink. Number 5, avocado power smoothie, creamy avocado combined with spinach, and banana for a filling and nutritious meal replacement. Number 6, beetroot beauty smoothie, beets, carrots, and ginger for a vibrant and detoxifying drink. Number 7, cucumber cooler smoothie, cucumbers, mint, and lime for a refreshing and hydrating smoothie. Number 8, pineapple mint detox smoothie, pineapple and mint for a refreshing twist on a classic detox drink. Number 9, blueberry detox smoothie, blueberries, kale, and almond milk for a nutritious and delicious weight loss drink. Number 10, watermelon wonder smoothie, watermelon and lime for a hydrating and refreshing summer smoothie. Number 11, mango madness smoothie, mango, banana, and coconut water for a tropical and slimming treat. Number 12, spinach supreme smoothie, spinach, pineapple, and coconut milk for a creamy and nutritious green smoothie. Number 13, kiwi cleanse smoothie, kiwi, cucumber, and mint for a refreshing and detoxifying drink. Number 14, turmeric twist smoothie, turmeric, ginger, and pineapple for an anti-inflammatory and slimming smoothie. Number 15, chocolate detox smoothie, cacao, banana, and almond milk for a guilt-free chocolate treat that aids in weight loss. Try out these delicious detox smoothies to jumpstart your weight loss journey today. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes and tips.